Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. And today friend, we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone Bluetooth setting. And in this video friend, we will talk about guys how can we connect earbud. Friends, you have got this earbud guys. You want to connect with your phone. So friend, how can you connect? Today I will show you guys in this video guys. So first of all guys, we will take out our earbuds and guys you will have to click on guys your phone setting means guys open your phone setting to connect this earbud. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on more connection setting is tap here. Click on phone Bluetooth setting, guys. On your Bluetooth setting with refresh setting, guys. We will refresh it. Then, guys, you can see your available device setting here, guys. You can see this TWS, guys. I have got this earbud. I will tap here to connect. Friends, you can see this notification, guys. Tap here right side, then it will connect. Active 70% battery, and guys, now we can use it this earbud. So like that guys, you can connect your earbud with your phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.